All right, so this is what I'm doing right now. I just wanted to show the process, right? So I have my engulfing candle. That's my settings, right? I get in, I go to 4 hour or the daily. I'll just make all the trades, like make a bunch of trades. Then I start. If it tells me that it's gone past that point, the alert, I'll short it. If it's give me another new alert, I'll buy it. So I'm gonna take profit on that. Switch reverse position, and it'll be down here. Oh, I mean to do that. Shoot, I wasn't supposed to do that. I was supposed to continue leave the position open. Anyway, so I leave the position. We'll take profit. Whatever. All right. So then I go to the next one. This one's still a buy. See that buys right there, and it's supported. I'll stay in that as a buy. This one, I got it right here after it said sell there, right? Put a stop loss. I'll just do that. Whatever. Now, if it says a buy, of course I'll switch it. But what I do is I go through H4. So now there's a buy that appeared. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take profits, switch the position, right? Um, and I'm gonna go through the daily. See if I see anything on the daily. I go through the 4 hour. There's no buy here. Oh, there was a buy there on the daily and got switched and it got passed, right? No? Then what am I doing? Anyway, so let's go back to the top because now we're in the daily. I want to check that. Kind of far away from that. I'm not gonna get in. There's a buy here. Went up, pulled back. I'll go ahead and buy it. This one shows a sell. What did the 4 hour look like? I don't remember. There's a buy here. It's kind of slipping past it. It's going past the buy. So I'm gonna reverse that. Um, so I bought here. I think I saw a buy, right? Okay, which is cool. I saw a buy on this. I already know that. There's a sell here, but this one is a buy, right? Yeah. All right. So I don't want to mess with the ones that are already. Yeah. Yeah. I don't want to mess with that. The ones that it's. Yeah. I don't want to mess. Those are good. I think these are good. Man, I don't really use a stop loss like that. I'll put it on there this time. I mean, I kind of. Well, yeah. When it's gone profit, I'll protect it if it's gone profit. Yeah. Why not? Just have something in it, a little point something. Yeah, since it hit that, I want to hit. I left it open, and I don't see anything else really. I wonder if I go up to it. They don't even show anything onto it. I mean, it's just all right. Past the sell on the 4 hour and a buy on here. So I'm gonna reverse that one. What was this? I'm not remembering. Oh, okay. And it's still under. Yeah. Buy on the daily. H4. It's being sold protected. And the same on the daily. This one is showing sell on the daily and buy. And it's like, I'm thinking I'm gonna make an order here. Let's sell 60 lots. That'll make this close and be three going down. Hmm. Yeah. All right. And so this is what it looks like. We started at 1 million even. I do, guys, I like to start these accounts at 1 million even. Okay. So this is what we're up so far. Been trading now for probably a month. Is it a month already? I think so. Go down to 22. Yes, a month. Yes, over a month. And that's that. So, engulfing. Nice. If you like content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Just see me do more trading strategies or whatever. If you have any comments or questions about the engulfing strategy, pretty much straightforward. Um, Give me a comment, give me a question. Peace.